In this guide, I will show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube on PC. Begin by launching the CapCut on your PC and choose the project you want to upload to YouTube from the list of projects. After selecting your project, click on the Export option and choose the location where you want to save your video. Adjust the settings as needed, and once satisfied, export your video and wait for it to finish downloading. When it's done, open YouTube in your web browser and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. Once the video is downloaded, exit the CapCut and return to YouTube. Click on Select Files and navigate to the location where your video is saved. Choose the video file and click Open to begin the upload process. Fill in the video details such as title, description, and tags, and toggle settings like whether the video is made for kids or not. Customize additional options such as thumbnails, playlists, subtitles, and end screen if desired. And decide on the visibility of your video if it's public, private, or unlisted, and choose to publish it immediately or schedule the upload. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.